Will I go back to the same tire shop? Welcome to Wrenchettes, when I want to work in this beautiful G35. Soon to be the Vader, part of that as well. And yes, by the way, that was my Stradmat intro. Today we're going to take out the beautiful G35, but we have one problem already. And that's right there. Somehow, somewhere, that tire is messed up. So, I am back from the tire shop. I went to the car wash because I couldn't stand this car. It was too dirty. For some reason, I just washed it Saturday. Anyway, I'm gonna have a poll right here on top in the corner. Do you guys think the tire shop owned up to their mistakes, or did they went shady on me? Cast your votes right here. Welcome back, guys. Now that you guys voted, let me tell you what happened. I went to the tire shop. I told the guy, listen, I came here Saturday and the rim is still leaking and it was you that did it. The guy was like, oh, okay, let me take care of it. I go inside the tire shop to watch him work. I wanted to see the bubbles for myself. So then the other guy takes the tire and he takes it off and he sprays it, and then he sees it and then he marks it, you know, they're doing their thing. Then the other guy that did the same job started says, I really don't remember doing that tire. I'm like, oh boy. Here we go with the stories that he don't remember. I mean, that is a distinct tire. There's no way that you can forget this G, man. It's just too memorable. They put the tire back on, and then I wanted to test them out. They knew that they did that tire 2 days ago. And I'm like, how much do I owe you? Because I wanted to see if they will own up to their mistakes. So then he says, I'm just gonna charge you $10. I'm like, wow. This is just corruption all around, man. So if you guys voted that they went shady on me, yes, they did win shady on me. Will I go back to the same tire shop? Even if I have a flat? No, I will not. Trust me, they only do it to me one time. One time is all I need to know if they're honest people, if I should go back, if they have my business. Obviously, they don't want my business because they charged me twice for the same job I went to get it fixed in the first place. I mean, money comes and goes. One Thursday night, I was in my house. Out of the blue, I got an email. It was via a special promotion for Friday. I'm like, yes. Then I open it up. It says, you got a $400 bonus. Someone, I don't know where, signed up for Via using a minivan, and I got 400 bucks out of the blue. So money comes and goes, you know, $10, and it's not gonna make me or break me. Honest people are like a dime a dozen in this earth. If you find someone that's honest, cherish them, respect them, because those are the people that's holding this earth together. Because when there is no more honest, truthful people in this earth, God will destroy it. Believe it or not. Don't let nobody change your heart. God bless, guys. Next time I will be trying to do the window tint on this G. Let's see how much it's gonna take for the cops to pull me over on a G35.